Hi everyone, saat ini gue ada di Emirates EK 649, perjalanan dari Colombo ke Dubai, dan akan makan waktu sekitar sekitar 4 jam ya, 4 jam. So I'll show you the footage dan kita lihat nanti gimana sama-sama. Oke, stay tune.
Also, to remind you, this is a non-smoking flight. All Emirates flights are non-smoking. Noble lavatories have recently been upgraded with the latest. Please don't forget you can follow the program. All our flights will be in flight in the
travel hygiene kit. Keren juga desainnya, keren. Warnanya merah, eye catchy. Very nice and
make it more enjoyable. Please
leave the aircraft.
Saya sudah mendarat di Dubai International untuk transit selama 6 jam. So kita lihat gimana 6 hours in Dubai. Never been to Dubai and this is my first time menginjakan kaki di negara ini. Kali ini memang hanya baru kesempatan untuk transit, but who knows in the future. Oke, jadi saya lagi jalan menuju ke tempat transit connections dan we'll see. Jadi sekarang saya akan terbang lagi ke Jakarta. It's going to be 9 hours or something. So using Emirates also. Nice transit in Dubai. 6 hours, it's like nothing. Seperti nggak kerasa apa-apa di Dubai. 6 jam, almost 6 jam lah ya. 6 jam kalau nggak nanti saya boarding. So Dubai udah hidup lagi ya, sangat hidup. Penumpang penuh, ini penumpang ke Indonesia juga sangat penuh. Dan most of the foreigner yang saya dengar mereka pergi ke Bali. So thank you all that you still trusted Bali, and you still, Bali is really amazing place, and now you start to going there again. Thanks to all this brother and sister the foreigners. Guys, ini suasana ruang tunggu di Semarang, Jakarta. Hi, and now I'm already in the aircraft. I got 43A, so we're going to see the takeoff. The landing will be the night. So kita lihat gimana. Coba saya cek dulu ya perjalanan hari ini. Oke ya, akan sekitar 9 jaman dan kita lihat nanti ya, kita take off sama-sama dari Dubai menuju Jakarta.
The strap and lift the metal flap to unfasten your belt. If you wish to sleep during the flight, fasten the seatbelt over your blanket so that we will not have to disturb you. For takeoff and landing, laptops need to be switched off and stowed correctly. Any mobile phones or tablets should be put into flight mode. After takeoff, we'll let you know when you can turn on Wi-Fi and mobile roaming. If you lose your phone under a seat, ask your cabin crew to help you find it. Do not move the seat, as this may damage the phone and its battery. It is illegal to smoke on board, including using or charging electronic smoking devices. All toilets have smoke detectors. If necessary, oxygen masks will appear from above you. Pulling the mask towards you starts the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your face and breathe normally. Put your mask on first and then help others. In the unlikely event of an emergency landing, please brace yourself like this.